going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at that wheel, it's in great condition. Looks really good. Now you're going to see little speckles in the paint. There's a little touch-up spot right there. See these little speckles all throughout. A little imperfection there. You can see the alignment is off here. But overall, this paint looks really good. Clarity's nice. The color is really cool. That looks good. Mirror looks amazing. Overall, very nice. Making our way down the bed. That looks good. I do see a little paint run here of some sort. That wheel looks perfect. Bed looks good. A little impact there. We have some touch-up spots here. Looks like some cracks in the paint. I do see some hard water spots throughout the paint as well, here on the hood. That looks nice. Overall, that front end is really clean. We do have a scratch here, and then it also hit the body a little bit. And then you're going to see some scratches right there that have been touched up. This side alignment's a little bit better. That wheel looks good. Door looks nice. Got a couple touch-up spots here. Got a gash right there. Overall, that's clean. Upper section looks good. Got a touch-up spot there. A couple little imperfections here and there. Otherwise, though, that bed's looking good. Looks nice. That wheel's perfect. Beautiful bed. You're gonna have the little chips and imperfections right there on the edge. A couple spots of trash in the paint. Those are painted in. Looks good. So little specks you're gonna see them like right here in the paint, and you're going to see those kind of all throughout when you get really close. Looking underneath here, got the train horns. Beautiful truck. Here on the engine bay, we're just going to scan through some of this. Looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is absolutely beautiful in here. That door panel looks amazing. Everything's nice and secure. Windows roll up and down perfect. That trim looks nice. That looks good. Got a little rip here on that weather stripping. Otherwise, really nice. Seats look amazing. Very comfy. Love this wood grain wheel. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks nice. That looks good. Beautiful interior. Kind of scanning that top side. Looks really nice. Here on this door panel, that upper section looks good. Lower side looks nice, absolutely gorgeous. That trim is clean. Awesome floor mats. Those seats look good. I love that console. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. Upper section looks good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. I love this steering wheel. It's absolutely gorgeous, feels good in the hands. Truck sounds amazing. Steering wheel's nice and straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Brakes are a little mushy. Not bad, but just a little. Truck shifts good, sounds amazing. Overall, the suspension is really nice, a little bouncy, but there's a ton of different settings. We'll have all the information on our website about the suspension. Overall, really, really nice driving truck.